Hi friends, this is Agnes from Agnes Paper and Crafts. Today let me show you how I made this Faux concrete alphabet just with paper and add some quilling to it. Using a full strip of lavender color, make a loose coil on 10 mm radius circle. Make two teardrops of similar size using these coils. Now take half strip of pista green color. Using a 7 mm radius loose coil, make an eye shape. Save the other half strip of paper to wrap around the petal. Join the teardrops on both sides of the eye shape. Then wrap around the pista green strip around to make a petal. You will need 6 similar petals for one flower. For the center, make a tight coil with one full strip of lavender color. To make the flower, I will be using silicone glue that I got from Itsy Bitsy. Silicone glue is thicker in consistency and is clear. They can be used on multiple surfaces like paper, parchment paper, foam, felt, yarn, wool glass, etc. Silicone glue gives extra dimension to our work, like in this envelope. Glue all 6 petals and the center tight coil using the silicone glue. Then place a quilling mold upside down and push the flower inside one dome. This gives more dimension to the flower. Now let it stay for a while to dry. With quarter strip of pista green and 4 mm radius circle, make eye shapes for the leaves. With half strip of paper, make stem as shown and add the leaves to the sides. Use half strip of lavender color to make a circle of 6 mm radius. Make it into a semicircle. Join 2 such semicircles to form one petal of the flower. Bend or curve the tip on one side of the petal to make it interesting. It's time to join 5 similar petals to form a flower. Add a tight coil to the center of flower made from quarter strip of pista green color. Add white glue and water in 1:1 ratio. You can use Decor glue instead of this mixture. You need to mix both water and this glue very well and they are ready to use. I will be using a paper mache alphabet I got from Etsy. The alphabet is covered with craft paper and has neat corners. It is weightless and the bigger size makes it a good home decor. I use pieces of regular tissue paper to cover over the alphabet with the prepared glue mixture. Make about 4 to 5 layers of this coat. I just leave the wrinkles made by the tissue as such. This is a lengthening process as we need more drying time between the coats as the base is also paper. The dried work will look like this. Now I will be using white acrylic spray, and this also needs 3 to 4 layers with drying time in between the coats. This is the painted one and you can see the wrinkles made by the tissue, and the paint also gives some bubbles which makes it more like a concrete one. So it is weightless but the look. As I mentioned, the silicone glue is thick in consistency. I actually started to use it few years back to apply on parchment paper, but it can be used on almost any surface. To store, I put it in standing position within something like this so that it don't fall down, so that it oozes out. When the glue gets less, I need to put it upside down to get it out faster as I work. So here now I am arranging the flowers to see whether I am satisfied with the arrangement. When I find it okay, then I start to glue it down with the silicone glue. So this is how I made the Faux concrete alphabet for a home decor with quilling in it. You can find the links of the supplies in the description below and you will love it. Thanks for watching.